Good afternoon, 8th graders. I am Satrina Byrd. I'm your 8th grade administrator here at the Health Sciences Academy at Monroe Middle, and I just wanted to welcome you to a new school year. I am so excited that we have the opportunity to work together this year. I had the pleasure of meeting a lot of you while you were in 7th grade, and I'm really looking forward to more time for us to grow together and get to know each other. I just wanted to let you know that if you needed anything from me, you can always reach out to me through email. It's the same process as if you email your teachers. You can also reach out to me through Canvas. I will have a Canvas page set up where you can ask questions and we can respond back and forth, just to make sure that you're getting all of the information that you need to help you to make it through the 8th grade successfully. So reach out to me if you have any questions before next week. I'm looking forward to see you guys whichever day you may attend. And I'm excited about this brand new school year. So I will see you soon.